ito? Green screen. Ay, mali. Uy, bakit nag-green screen na 'to? Paano remove? Saan yung setting? Ano ba 'to? Giatay siya, uy. I have finished. Ano ba 'yan? No, your relation, it's okay. It's okay. I have learned a very valuable lesson. Wow, what kind of lesson is that? Alphabet or arithmetic? Arithmetic. What kind of lesson? Science, math? Ay, saan? You on TikTok too? I have accounts but I'm close to home. Close to home? Saan yung home? Kainis naman 'to. Ano lang dito, yung back and front and back and then speaker and then yung star and then I don't know ano 'to, star ay giatay. Tapos retouch, ayan ni-retouch niya ako, Yung pimple ko, my goodness. Tapos wala naman na. Mayroon lang top pants dito. Ay giatay. I don't like this iPhone 17. Honestly, I don't like it. Sometimes I want to throw. Hindi ko matutunan talaga 'to, nakakainis. Top 10 chatter, timer, 30 minutes, gets inspired. No, not that one. Where? Top chat, live chat, super chat. No. Below the live chat. Saan yung live chat? Buti pang Samsung yung ginamit kong pang live. Saan? Below the live chat. Yung nasa live chat niya, top ones lang nakalagay. Nothing is settings. Grandfather JN also died. Ha? Namatay? Samsung is the best, iPhone rubbish. You're right. Until now, it's been how many months? November, December, January, February, March, April. It's 5 months I'm using this iPhone. Until now, I cannot. I want to throw sometimes. Not sometimes, always. Where? Sisi, BG here. Salamat po sa BG. Di ko talaga makita. Yung ano lang nandito yung may crown. Yung below, yung live niya. Kakayamot. Iba yata. It's different in iPhone. Nothing is, it's not here in the settings. Ay, nako po, Ginoo. Wala na, ubos na naman yung, again, my time is wasting. It's in the chat. Sa chat? Saan? Ay, Ginoo. Sis Jusila, iPhone ka, di ba? Turuan mo naman ako. Sis JN, iPhone ka ba? Saan yung chat? Ay, at home upstairs. Home upstairs. It's in the chat. Put iPhone in the bin. Sometimes I throw it many times, but only in my bed. Where? Only the rotation, the mic, the star, which is retouch, and then